Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to redeem Audible subscription promo codes. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Audible is a wonderful platform to listen to audiobooks. Audible is a part of Amazon. That means we will get access to a huge catalog of popular audiobooks. We can sign up for a free trial. You can check the link in the description for our link, or we can redeem Audible promo codes. We can get that from GPay, CRED, etc. To do this, we should have an eligible Amazon or Audible account. We shouldn't have used Audible Premium or Audible trial subscription before on this account. Then we have to open this page, this link. This is for GPay. For GPay, we have this link. For CRED, we have this link. And for general promo not associated with any brand, we can use this link. I'll share all these links in the description. You can check it out when you are signing up. I have a promo code I got from CRED. I'm going to use that now. This is the link I'm going to use, audible.in/ep/CRED. So I'm from India, so I'm using .in. If you are from United States, then .com, and for UK it will be co.uk. So I'm entering the promo code here. This is the promo code. These promo codes usually have an expiry date, and I have already logged in using my existing Amazon account, which is not associated with Audible yet. And Audible might ask for card details to do verification. You won't be charged until the free period ends. So now we can select redeem now. Here we can enter our Amazon account details. I'll do that and get back to you. So after entering our Amazon account details, we will get this page. Here we can see all our promo membership details. We have 3 months free trial here. We will get 1 credit per month. We can see all these details. So here we have to enter our payment method just to do the verification. So I'll do that. After selecting our payment details, we can select place your order option here. Okay, now we have to do the UPI payment confirmation. I'll do that on my phone now. I have to approve the auto pay. So we have to make sure to cancel or pause the subscription when the free period ends. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Welcome to Premium Plus. So that means our promo code got successfully redeemed. These are the steps to redeem Audible subscription promo codes. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.